So the project is called Standing Tall, and we've been working with up to 20 local groups in Wolverhampton to deliver free crafts workshops.
They are making pieces of patchwork which are going to make the costume for the giant in Jack and the Beanstalk at the Grand Theatre.
So it's all their work coming together and being on this giant, and the project is called Standing Tall because the giant is obviously standing tall, and everybody in these community groups are standing tall because they're proud of the group that they come from.
It's been absolutely amazing. I've worked with so many groups, and here we're at Compton Hospice. And you know what, the fellas have impressed me so much with their sewing skills. They were a bit sort of dubious to begin with, but we managed to get them up out of the chairs, away from their newspapers, and they've been brilliant.
They all seem very involved, and as a matter of fact, there's one gentleman sitting there at the table still doing it, and class is finished a half an hour ago.
Here at the Woods Day Therapy Centre, socialisation is a really important part of the therapies that we provide. And when the patients are working on as a group, they get a lot of benefit from participating together.
I think it's really good where people might not be able to get out too much and do normal things. They're able to feel included as part of a big project. But also the mental stimulation is good for people. And of course, we know fingertip stimulation creates new brain cells, which is good for all of us.
I think it's good because it's something tangible that you can see, and I think it's something that everybody can do, you know, produce something brilliant for other people to admire and be proud of.
Our new strapline is reaching more people through the magic of theatre, and this project does that exactly, because we really want to engage with the community around us, and rather than seeing our patrons come to us, that we're actually going out to them and involving them in theatre and the arts.
The giant is supposed to be this mean, bad character, and so we thought it'd make him as gross as possible to fit the character.
So after all the workshops were delivered to the local groups, all of their work was put together, and they had a giant unveiling where the groups got to come and see the giant on the staircase with all of their pieces included.
I think it's all good coming together, seeing all people's work has been involved, and I think it's quite cool to look at.
Well, it's nice to see the outcome, and it's good to see all the community groups having an input.
Well, you can see that by the size of the giant, he is big, he really is. And to achieve this massive suit he's got on, I think we've had about 400 people taking part. Many hours have gone into it when you add them all up. Thousands of pieces of cloth and stitches and bits of felt, and it's all come together perfectly.
Overall, I think the project's just gone like a dream, really.
Well, it's combining the activities of community groups coming together along with attracting more people to the arts and to theatre, and I think that's a great combination, really. That's what makes it work.